Well, here's a clock I've been meaning to make a video of for quite a while now. This is my mom's Ridgeway Grandfather Clock. It's from 1997, was purchased brand new then by my mom and dad, and they still have it today. And I'll open it up and show it to you in a minute. Here's the key, which is kind of cool. It's actually got an R, the Ridgeway R on it to get inside. Just taking a look at the case. Not exactly sure how tall it is, but taking a look over the casing, it's got these very nice etches here and down below. And these columns are matching design. And let's go ahead and open it up. This one has an etched lyre pendulum, triple chime, cable-driven Keininger movement. You got Westminster, St. Michael's, and Whittington on this, or you can put it on silent. It's got machine cut brass numerals on it, and this one does have a moon dial. And we'll let you hear it chime. There's the serial number. I'm assuming the 97 means 97. I did check the movement and confirm it is from 1997. And it has stood in this spot ever since it came to this house. This is pretty much the clock I credit with getting into grandfather clocks, because I grew up with it. And you can see it's in beautiful shape. It's been very well cared for.